Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to turn on two-step verification in Roblox to keep your account safe and secure. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app and log into your account. Then here at the bottom right corner, tap the More icon. And here scroll down and tap the Settings. Next, tap Security. And here you'll see the two-step verification option. Toggle it on. The Roblox may ask you to enter account password to confirm the change. And once it's enabled, every time you log in from a new device, Roblox will send a verification code to your email before you can access your account. This adds an extra layer of protection to make sure only you can log in. And that's it. You've successfully turned on two-step verification in Roblox. Now your account is much safer. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.